Klein Tools ET450 Underground Circuit Breaker Finder review. Smarter tracing without guesswork. You know the feeling. You flip a breaker, walk back to the outlet, and nothing changes. Flip another, still wrong. Now you're sweating in front of a crowded panel with faded labels that might as well be guesses. The quiet stress builds, especially when a client is standing nearby waiting for answers. I once watched a tech spend nearly 40 minutes hunting the right breaker in a multi-tenant building, only to realize the panel was mislabeled years ago. That kind of wasted time adds up fast. And here's the thing, it is not just inconvenience. It is lost productivity and credibility. If you have ever played breaker roulette in a packed panel, you know exactly what that tension feels like.
The longer it goes on, the more it chips away at your day. You walk back and forth between outlet and panel. You double-check with a tester. You second-guess yourself. That low, constant pressure sits in your chest because one wrong assumption can shut down the wrong circuit or leave something energized. In older buildings, underground feeders and hidden junctions turn a simple task into a scavenger hunt. And let me explain. Basic breaker finders often work only on live circuits and struggle once walls, concrete block, or conduit get involved. So you improvise. You trace manually. You disconnect wires just to be sure. It works, but it is slow and risky. Eventually, you start thinking there has to be a more controlled way to identify exactly which breaker, fuse, or wire you are dealing with without all the guesswork.
Then everything changed when I started using the Klein Tools ET450 Advanced Underground Circuit Breaker Finder and Wire Tracer Kit. Don't just pick any circuit breaker finder. Make sure it has adjustable sensitivity and the ability to trace energized and non-energized circuits so you never suffer through mislabeled panels and endless breaker flipping again. The ET450 uses a transmitter to send a clear tracing signal onto the target wire and a receiver that locks onto that signal only. You can adjust sensitivity to narrow in on the exact breaker, even through drywall, cement block, or underground runs. And here is what makes it different. It works on live and dead circuits, giving you flexibility without changing tools. In real use, the advantages show up immediately. The receiver gives you audible beeps and visual signal strength indicators, so instead of guessing by loudness alone, you actually see when you are on the correct conductor. The built-in flashlight helps in dim panels, and the non-contact voltage function adds an extra safety check before you touch anything. One industry review highlighted its ability to trace through double drywall and even underground lines, calling it a top pick for complex tracing jobs. I also read about a contractor who successfully traced a 1,600-foot underground run by adjusting sensitivity and using the 20-foot lead adapter included in the kit. That kind of range is verifiable and practical. Now, to be fair, it does require practice. Sensitivity settings matter, and reading the instructions helps avoid confusion. But once you dial it in, your daily workflow feels calmer and more controlled. Quick question. How much time would you save if you could isolate the right breaker on the first pass? At the end of the day, the Klein Tools ET450 Advanced Underground Circuit Breaker Finder and Wire Tracer Kit is about clarity and control. It replaces trial and error breaker flipping with targeted tracing that works on energized and non-energized circuits. Thousands of electricians and technicians rely on tools like this every day to save time and reduce uncertainty. If that sounds like the kind of upgrade your workflow needs, you can check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment for full details. Take a look, compare it to what you are using now, and see if it fits your work style.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.